Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain top 10 reasons for adopting Agile in any project. The first reason for adopting Agile is to accelerate the product delivery. That means quickly delivering the features or requirements to the end customers. So this is one of the benefits of doing Agile. The second reason for adopting Agile is to manage the change in the customer requirements effectively. Agile team will prioritize the customer needs in the product backlog and deliver the high value items first. The third reason for adopting Agile is to improve the quality of the product by getting and implementing the feedback. Team will get the customer feedback regularly and incorporate them in the short iteration. The fourth reason for adopting Agile is to reduce and manage the project risk effectively. Risk management is done on daily basis in different events in Agile. You can watch a detailed video posted in this channel about risk management in Agile. The fifth reason for adopting Agile is to improve the visibility of the product development to the business team. Short sprint cycle with regular demo and feedback cycle will create a better visibility about the product development. The sixth reason for adopting Agile is to bring the better alignment between the business team and the development team. Agile way of working enables regular interaction between the development team and the business team on daily basis. The seventh reason for adopting Agile is to improve the team's happiness. Team members will be empowered and enabled to take the decision on their plans and commitments. This will improve the team's happiness in Agile projects. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. The eighth reason for adopting Agile is to improve the customer satisfaction. Regular customer feedback and quick implementation of the feedback will improve the customer satisfaction. Regular demo with better visibility about the product development will increase the customer satisfaction. The ninth reason for adopting Agile is to reduce the rework and cost. In Agile way of working, frequent feedback from the customers will be received to avoid any major issues at the end of the product development. This approach will reduce the rework and development cost in Agile projects. The 10th reason for adopting Agile is to improve the predictability of the product delivery. With a short sprint cycle and fixed team size, we can predict the project delivery timeline of a particular team based on the team's velocity and sprint duration. Hope this video is useful to you. Please click the like button and leave your comments or questions below. I will answer for your questions. Please subscribe to this channel to get notification about new videos. Thank you.